As you can see, I did get the valve covers cleaned off. I have yet to get the oil pressure plugs out. But I wanted to show, again, excuse the mess in the garage. There's the lower plenum gaskets, as they call them. And there's the upper plenum gaskets on the flip side. Again, you know my thoughts from the earlier video, calling the upper ones on the bottom and the lower ones on the top. But anyway, there they are. And these are either 10mm sockets, or I'm not sure what size hex, but I know you can remove them all with 10mm sockets to get to the upper housing and replace all those. And that's definitely where my leak was from.